I have missed a couple of days. It's been a little bit hectic around here. Just life being life. And then also, I've been sick, which is not a great time of year, really. So I don't have a lot to show for this week over the last couple of days. You haven't missed a lot. In between being sick, I've been to the hairdresser, got my Christmas hair already, got the Christmas shopping done, so that's good to tick that box off. I've been working on my stitching, which I'm doing here. And then, yeah, the last couple of days, I've just been resting in bed, trying to get better. It's nothing major, it's just a bit of a cold, but I need to get better for Christmas, and my family doesn't want to get sick, so they've had me in my room as well. So I have also been doing some knitting with that. Last night we set up the outdoor projector and watched a movie, which was really fun. One of the joys of living out of town is we don't have to worry about neighbours. So, projects. Let's talk projects because I am so far behind on all of them, including this one, which I designed. So at the start of the month, I had 16 different projects. I feel like I'm failing all of them. I'm trying to give myself grace because there's been a lot of real life going on even before I got sick. So I'm giving myself permission to not have everything finished by Wednesday, even though I would like to. I am giving myself permission to say Christmas season goes until 12th night. So if I don't finish before 12th night, that's fine. And so I'm going to buy myself, I think it's cheating, but I am going to buy myself an extra 12 days of making. So that's my plan at this stage.